This 1976 Chevy van kit was a pre-owned, used kit off eBay. The previous owner didn't make much progress. Everything including sprues were present. While the ex-owner preferred a dark theme, I would retheme the van as a cargo vehicle of Railways National. The reason for wanting van kits, at that time, was so that I could satisfy my graphic design hobby while building models. And I got 2 vans in the purchase. This van showcases a more popping graphic approach, whereas the other one was given a rather conservative visual style. Oh, one of the side mirrors had gone missing. Unfortunately, only a spare sedan kind of side mirror was available at the moment. The result would look stupidly stupid, but at least the van is complete.